Homework question from this participant. Where does memory reside? First of all, is there a house? Yeah. So when you do your isness meditation first with eyes closed, look, is there a house where I can say, okay, this is where memory is, and then this is where mind is, and then this is where intellect is, this is where the ego is? Can you point out? Do in your own direct experience with your eyes closed. Then with your eyes open, the moment you open your eyes and you see your room, even with your eyes closed, you know where the table is, where the TV is. That was memory. You've opened your eyes. Where is memory? Where is memory? I'm not giving you this answer. You have to tell me this answer. Where is memory? Can I explore this? So this whole week you do isness meditation. I don't know if you have to do it a million times this week. You have to answer this question. Where is memory? Where is mind? Where is intellect? Where is ego? I've added 3 more to that. Yeah? Do they have houses somewhere? Could you locate the houses? Got you interested in Advaita enough now? Will you do your own self-exploration? Did you understand what is Advaita now? It's about experimenting. It's not about learning what another person is telling me. Just believing it. No, that's not Advaita. No belief. Yeah, no blind belief, no superstition, no because Ekta said so. No, I have to challenge that also and see in my direct experience, can I recognize this? That is Advaita. Super clear?